Welcome to YCfee. Today, let's explore how farmers bring delicious American pineapples from sprawling, sun-soaked farms to the dining tables of families everywhere. When it comes to tropical fruits, one immediately thinks of the sweet and juicy pineapples. But have you ever wondered about the journey these American pineapples undergo to reach the hands of consumers? Without further ado, let's delve into the process, starting from the sunny pineapple farms in California, Florida, or beautiful Hawaii, to the modern processing factories that transform fresh pineapples into delicious and convenient products. Pineapple, also known as cayenne pineapple, is dubbed the queen of tropical fruits for its sweet, fragrant flavor and abundant nutrients. This fruit is primarily grown in tropical climates year-round, such as Florida, California, and beautiful Hawaii. Pineapple is not only a delicious fruit, but also offers numerous health benefits. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and fiber, which help boost the immune system, support digestion, and promote heart health. Additionally, pineapple is used to make various attractive dishes and unique beauty products. The process of growing American pineapples requires meticulous and careful attention. From selecting the seeds, planting the young pineapples, caring for them, watering, fertilizing, to harvesting, everything must be done according to technical procedures to ensure the quality of the fruit. Planting time, planting density, and the use of growth stimulants to develop strong roots are all important factors that affect pineapple yield and quality. Let me explain in more detail the process of growing American pineapples. 1. Selecting seeds. Choose high-quality American pineapple varieties with good yield and suitable for the climate and soil conditions of the growing region. Some common American pineapple varieties include MD2, Cayenne, and Smooth Cayenne. Ensure the seedlings are sourced from disease-free gardens with clear origins. Two, planting young pineapples. Prepare the soil by plowing, adding organic and inorganic fertilizers to ensure it is loose and nutrient-rich. Choose an appropriate planting density, usually 30,000 minus 40,000 plants per hectare, depending on specific conditions. Plant young pineapples at an appropriate depth with reasonable spacing between rows and plants to create good growth space. 3. Caring. Closely monitor the growth of the plants, promptly detect and handle pests and diseases, such as top rot, heart rot, and anthracnose. Provide adequate sunlight, typically 6 to 8 hours of direct light each day. Ensure good drainage conditions, avoiding waterlogging for the plants. 4. Watering. Ensure sufficient water supply for the plants, especially during the flowering and fruit development stages. The appropriate amount of water is about 20 to 30 millimeters per week, depending on weather conditions. Avoid water deficiency or overwatering, which can affect the plant's health. Five. Fertilizing. Use organic fertilizers such as manure and green manure to improve soil fertility. Supplement with inorganic fertilizers NPK according to the nutritional needs of the pineapple, especially nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Apply fertilizers in the right amounts and at the right time for optimal pineapple growth. Typically, American pineapples take about 2 years to harvest. After harvesting, pineapples are transported to processing plants, canned, and exported to many countries worldwide. The U.S. has various pineapple varieties, such as MD2, Queen, and Pernambucanas, each with distinct characteristics and flavors, all highly valued for their quality. Additionally, pineapple is one of America's main export fruits, bringing significant foreign exchange revenue to the country. Thanks to their excellent quality and delicious flavor, American pineapples are favored by consumers in many countries around the world. To meet the growing market demand, American businesses continually improve product quality and diversify pineapple products, such as pineapple juice, dried pineapple, and pineapple jam. Although the U.S. grows pineapples, it is still one of the net importers of this fruit. So, what happens to the pineapples harvested in the U.S.? Let's find out together. We're looking at a modern pineapple processing plant. In the US, the processing procedure here is highly professional. Let's explore it in more detail. The first step in the processing procedure is transporting the pineapples from trucks into the plant via an automatic conveyor system. The pineapples are carefully arranged in preparation for the next stages. Here, the pineapples are cleaned using an automated washing system. This washing process ensures that all dirt and impurities are removed, leaving only clean pineapples ready for further processing steps. After being washed, the pineapples are moved to the peeling and cutting area. Modern machinery meticulously and quickly peels and cuts the pineapples. Within minutes, the pineapples are completely transformed, ready for the next processing stages. Once cut, the pineapples are transported to the canning area. This is a crucial step for safely and conveniently preserving and transporting the pineapples. The pineapples are canned following strict procedures to ensure the best quality and flavor. In addition to canned pineapples, dried pineapples are also a highly popular product. The pineapples are sliced thinly and placed in drying ovens. The drying process takes place in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment to ensure the pineapples retain their natural flavor and nutrients. Products like canned and dried pineapples are convenient items that are highly favored by Americans. We can easily find them on supermarket shelves, ready to be enjoyed. We have explored the journey of American pineapples, from sunny farms to delicious products on the table. To compare with another giant in the pineapple export industry, our next video will take you to Costa Rica, home to some of the largest pineapple farms in the world. Don't miss the opportunity to explore and compare the fascinating aspects of these two countries. Thank you for watching this video. We greatly appreciate your support. See you in the next videos with more fascinating and interesting content about agricultural products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.